Yes, again, the structure also influences human aura. First of all, a structure, when a human was born, he used to move around in the caves, on the trees, and all those things. When he started settling down, he started to erect some kind of a structure to protect him against the vagaries of nature. In the due course, what happened is there is a obstruction to the flow of cosmic energy on the earth, and part of it enters the structure, part of it goes around the structure. There should be a balance between the outer and the inner energies. And in Vastu, our ancient knowledge, which talks about the structure, just like as people are different, every building cannot be the same. Everything has its own geometry, and in external influences and the internal obstruction, maybe rooms, toilets, or whatever it is. And ancient Indians never used to have toilets nor kitchen in the main hall, main room. There was only a shelter which was made of thatched bamboo, mud, and all those things, which was not much interfering with the cosmic flow. But now we have brought in solid structures, and the energy is flowing from northeast to southwest due to the effect of the cosmic energy hitting the earth as well as the magnetic energy of the earth. It takes a resultant direction from northeast to southwest, and in the northern hemisphere above the equator, it turns clockwise. Just like as the cyclones you can see, northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, they take clockwise and anti-clockwise. In the southern hemisphere, they take anti-clockwise direction. And this particular rotation is called the Coriolis force. This has been taken into our ancient Vastu as to how the energy settles. And it was a normal square or a rectangle with an opening. They used to settle. And each area which frequency settles was given a name of a Devta. But now, since the complexity has changed, we cannot expect the energies to be settling in the same way. And also, the particular movement of the energy is being disturbed by the toilets, kitchen, which are draining away the energy, and also the electromagnetic energies of articles and all those things apart from this structure. And there is also a possibility of the external energies disturbing the internal energies of the house in the form of road hits, T-junctions, any other external factors such as big pylons or transformers or any other thing, or the high negative earth energies outside the influence. There may be a leakage of negative energy, means below 400 and above 70 into the house also. There may be a leakage of the positive energy through the misplacement of doors and windows. So there is a particular protocol we need to follow where we can settle all these energies in a particular way. Next comes as to how these energies in Vastu, the guiding principles were there to guide the humans to build a structures so as maximum positive energy is there. So what we found, wherever it was built as per the Vastu principles, the structural disturbances were limited. Wherever little leakages are there due to the internal geometry and everything. So Vastu is a perfect science based on, but it cannot be generic. It is generic, but it cannot be mutatis mutandis applied to every house, where due to the structure of the house, presence of toilets and all these things, this may change. Through a proper established protocol, we balance the structural energies. Ultimately, the objective is 400 to 750, there should not be any deficit due to internal settlement or external effect, and there should not be any presence of below 400 and above 750 frequencies, either internally or a leakage from outside. So once that is ensured, the human being is not subjected to stress. It will be a stress-free built space when dealing with the structure. So we have a patented protocol, both Germany and India, which we need to follow and ensure it. And once we correct this, automatically the person's aura before we correct and after the correct increases. Any kind of a built space, we need to follow a particular protocol. The principles are the same. If it is already built as per the Vastu, corrections would be lesser.